with all things our channel. If you like this content, smash that like button and hit subscribe. I don't put a lot out, but let me show you what we got going on today here. We've got this nice stress-free strut tower. Let's see if we can get this thing cleaned up. I should have started filming this earlier, but we're doing cleanup. It all looked like that before we got started. We're getting this cleaned up and do a little bit of a paint job on it. We get going. Okay, this video is kind of for me because I want to see how this goes back together. We are about to spray paint this. We're going to take it apart and we're going to do all these parts individually. And I'll let you watch how I do that. But we're going to change the color from this to that. So two colors here. I'm going to run the metallic chrome finish, which you can see there. I'm going to do that as a base coat, and then I'll do the Rust-Oleum metallic over top of it. We'll take that gold. Should brighten up our engine bay just a little bit. Being in here, I got a whole bunch of cleanup to do, but we'll clean some of this up as well. You can watch. I know all the purists are going to yell at me. All right, I've cleaned these up, wiped them down with acetone, and you'll just see I'm going to put a light coat of the chrome on there and make sure I get it on the top for coverage. I'm trying to hold this camera and spray paint at the same time. Y'all don't judge me, but everybody's going to judge me anyways on what I do. I am not a painter. I will openly admit that. I'm just getting a nice area of coverage on this. That side a little bit more. On the inside, I'm just kind of getting it in there. Inside's not going to be as visible, but we'll just dust it a little bit. So there's our chrome, and you can see that I already did this one. That one's got our chrome, and I'll come out here. No plants or trees or animals were harmed in the making of this video, and I'll just show you that we have our chrome out here too. So this is all chromed. You can see that I've got my heim joints taped off, wrapped off. By the way, it happens. I miss a spot or two every once in a while, so just make sure that I get good adequate coverage on here. Sometimes it happens on the bottom. I got behind it and everything. So we're gonna let this set and dry for a little bit, and we will come back. See a little spot or two here. We will come back and hit this again with our bronze after it dries. Thank you, Petey. Always a late night with us, right? Okay. And there is our gold crossbar, completed and done. Looks way better than it did when it was rusty. Everything's cleaned up a little bit. We'll get this thing closed up here in just a second. Let me just show you some of the other stuff we've got going on. Let me get the flashlight on. There we go. I should be working. So we got our cage in temporarily. Got to get it fitted in here. Our beautiful Porsche seats. And what I would call the Panda. I think this is going to be called the Panda. So we're getting there little by little. She's coming together. Got our cross member in, getting this all cleaned up. And we did a new fuel pressure regulator today too. So a lot of stuff going on here. Full day of work today on Friday. Jumped in and tried to get a lot of this stuff done. So it's hotter than Hades out here. Hopefully everybody's staying safe, and hope you're enjoying our little Porsche 924 project. Stay tuned.